after a long, hectic day. When you arrive home, your feet feel heavy, tired, and exhausted. Well, rest alone is not enough. Just step into the Dr. Physio Grandmaster foot massager and let deep relaxation begin instantly. Crafted with deep kneading shiatsu rollers, compression, gentle vibration, and soothing heat. It works efficiently to reduce stiffness and improve circulation. Engineered for powerful performance with intelligent controls, it provides complete foot therapy at home. Its precision rollers glide across your soles, heels, and arches, even up to your calves, easing deep tension. Its removable, washable foot sleeves keep every session fresh and hygienic. The modern design is lightweight and portable, with built-in side handles. Lean back, close your eyes, and let the stress melt away.